Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and here we are again with Project Redheaded Stepchild. Today I'm going to do a little bit of cosmetic stuff. Now these are going to be 13 millimeter.
Girl, get in position. Girl, get in position.
Now look at the battery tray. New battery tray. Battery tray where it goes. Should go right there and there. But as you can see, there's nothing there to bolt it to. Well, I cleaned up some of the rust. Ta-da! Battery tray. Oh, fixed the hood prop. And this is why it's good to have some sheet metal screws. I zipped it down there, right there, and now, new battery tray. Won't move. Ta-da! A new battery. Well, we're going to go source a radiator. Just ran some seafoam through the vacuum system. I'm going to see how it makes this sucker run after. Sounds like shit right now, but we're gonna take care of it. I got some fuel injector cleaner, some Royal Purple running through the gas tank, and it starts up much better now with the battery, but it's running right now with the seafoam going through it. We'll see what happens. That white smoke's normal. Alright, so I'm going to try and take this radiator out, and we're going to get that on camera. So when my cameraman gets here, you'll see what happens. So let's cut to it. Alright, I'm going to take this fucking radiator out, and I haven't taken one out of this style yet, so it's going to be a learning process on the video, so that should be awesome. So what are we doing, Kelly?
Taking out the radiator. Why? Because it's broken.
No. Where are we gonna get one?
Time to pick apart.
What do you want from me?
For you to not screw the camera up every time you touch my phone.
Every time?
Almost every time I've handed it to you while you're filming.
Is it recording?
You stopped it, yes.
Okay.
Is there a big red circle on there?
It's white with a little red square, but the time is ticking.
Yeah, that means... What does a red square usually mean?
It means this.
It's a good idea. This car is old as shit. This is a new type. It's actually got some refrigerant in it, so it actually chills the bolt you're trying to take out. So it's a different way to essentially use the same thing as like fire without having to use fire.
Girl, get in position. Girl, get in position.
Something else you should have if you're going to do this kind of stuff. Being a 40-year-old dude that's got carpal tunnel, that will help you not have carpal tunnel. Alright, so let's get the overflow bottle out of the way. Oh shit, it just broke all the way off. Literally. It just broke all the way off.
Oh, shit.
Well, it's a good thing we're getting a new radiator. Alright, let me crawl under here and see if I can't drain this fucker. Your good dryer vent cold air induction's getting in the way. Well, opened the petcock and it wouldn't let anything out. So this broke off. Yeah. I don't know what this is, honestly, but gotta remove it to get the radiator out. And my GT over there under the tarp does not have this. It does not say what it is, but looks pretty important. So for no fucking reason other than some engineer's a fucking retard. They couldn't figure out a better way, like, you know, it just sits in a rubber mount at the bottom of the car. Nope. We need to fucking make it be bolted in at the bottom. That's what we need to do, yeah. We're fucking dumb. Yeah, there's a stupid fucking tab on the bottom of it.
We're still draining the swamp down there.
No, by now it should be good, but we can pull this out of the way. So you can make statements like, this car doesn't overheat, radiator doesn't leak either. Which I thought was weird. And the guy that sold it to us told me that. I thought, why would you specifically tell me that? Well, now I know. As you can see, copper bar here, there, all inside it, around the mount. It's leaking in these veins right here too. These shouldn't be broken away. And you can see it's all cold air induction. Well, we had this lovely fucking thing here that isn't on right. I'm gonna unplug it and take it apart. And as it goes down through here, it goes into the fenders. Somebody hooked up some fucking sheet metal venting, ran it down to the bottom, and then it comes out with that piece of dryer fucking hose right there, which is just really restricting the airflow. It's not helping at all. So find the right socket. And as I thought, the mass airflow sensor thing is busted off.
What?
One side's busted off that. That's nice. That rubber grommet shouldn't be stuck in there. Rubber grommet's supposed to fit on that. Okay. Screw down where?
Down on the bottom part of that sheet metal.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna get this off first though.
Okay.
I don't know what cold air induction kit this is, but man, is it shitty. And they just sheet metal screwed that in. Yeah, fuck it. Well, it does have a filter on it. It's wet. And it's about 40 years old. And they got a giant piece of fucking ductwork in there.
Where do you see that?
Piece of ductwork. So I got to take this off so I can get to this lovely piece to show you the fantastic barnyard manipulation of engineering we've got going on here. So my camera person is going to film me doing this. I'm just taking the tire off, but I thought you'd like to see the hill jack stuff that comes out of the fender.
Oh my gosh, I can see it from here. Oh.
Don't spoil the surprise.
I'm not. I'm just saying I can see it.
It's a marvel of engineering. One wonders, how did they come up with it?
One does wonder.
Oh, you got the nice
I know.
valve stem covers. That adds about 6 horsepower. Tire's not too bad. It's got a nice tread on it. Too bad none of them match. The rims match, none of the tires match. Now, this fascia is put on in a fantastic way. They just sheet metal screwed it in there. So we're going to pull this fender well back and reveal the wonderful world of hill jack engineering. So here we got someone thought
It must have been a sheet metal worker.
they should put this in there, put the air filter inside there, so that they could pull air from the bottom under the car. So that way when you run through puddles, it sucks fucking water up into your intake, so that's always nice. Who needs to put the screws back in there? We'll just lay it up in there. So, that's our first trip down Hill Jack Lane with the Project Redhead Step Shop.
I'm sure there are more.
And with that, we're going to end the video today.